Dr. Reddington here with Nature's Gold. Think of me as your body's backstage pass to peak performance. I sniff out the good stuff, so you don't have to. Let's take a closer look at what makes this powerhouse tick and why it matters. Reset your system and reclaim your digestive lightness. We start with a high-performance fiber network of psyllium husk, oatseed, and alfalfa. These soluble and insoluble fibers work together to absorb water and create a gentle, sweeping gel bulk. This process softens the stool and promotes natural peristalsis, physically clearing the colon of accumulated waste and undigested particles that cause that heavy, sluggish feeling. To ensure a thorough reset, we've included a targeted botanical blend of cascara, sagrada, rhubarb, and aloe vera. These natural stimulant laxatives gently irritate the colon lining to trigger effective elimination within 6 to 12 hours. We've reinforced this with bentonite clay to bind and adsorb internal toxins, while Golden Seal provides antimicrobial support to discourage gut pathogens during the process. A cleanse should never leave you depleted. That's why we've included calcium carbonate to buffer the digestive tract and reduce laxative harshness. To prevent the post-cleanse bloat, we've added Lactobacillus acidophilus. This probiotic works to immediately restore your beneficial gut bacteria, balancing your microbiome and supporting smooth digestion as you finish your cycle. This is a short-term, high-intensity protocol designed for a maximum of 7 days. Delivered in a clean vegetable capsule, it is the ultimate tool for a seasonal reset. Just remember to stay hydrated. Your body will thank you for the clarity. No fluff, no fillers, just top shelf. Backed by science, brewed by nature, and bottled just for you using the most potent nutrients from premium ingredients. Packed with the purest quality. Take control of your vitality and power up with Nature's Gold, the new standard in health.